Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss uh, how to activate the Aruba ClearPass license for the first time into the box. So, once you log into the ClearPass for the first time, you will see this dashboard. In this dashboard, once you click on the policy manager, it will ask to put you the activation key. So, I have already the keys, so I will just copy and paste the keys and then click on the agree add license. So now your platform is ready. We will log into the appliance now by using the password which we set up when we are doing the initial configuration. Keep in mind, sometimes depend on the version, sometimes the password which you set up, it is not accepting in the GUI, but it is accepting in the CLI. So if a situation like that, you can use the default password of the ClearPass to log in to the ClearPass by using the GUI. The default password is etips123. I will put down in here. So you have to use the default password. This is some rare cases. Okay, we will go to the licensing section. You have to go to the administration, server manager, and the licensing. So you will see there is no license right now available in this one. You can click on add license. So then you have to add the access license. Like I told, I have already the keys. I will tell you how you can get these license keys. So you will add the key and add license. So you can see access license added successfully. I made a video earlier regarding what are the features available in this license, so you can go back to that video and check what are the features will enable by adding these three license: access license, on board, and on guard. So we add the access license. You can see the count is replicated. Now we will add the on board license. Again we will come to add license, paste the key, agree the conditions, input. You can see on board license also added. You can refresh the count, then it will show you it is added to the ClearPass. The next license key is on guard. Coming to add license, that's the key, and so now we successfully add all the three license which it is required to the ClearPass. But in a production environment, you maybe doesn't require this all the license, but based on your use cases, if you want to do posture check, like a compliance check before users getting the access into the ClearPass, you need on guard license. And if you want to enroll the employees personal devices into the network, then you need onboarding license. And for the normal guest authentication, .1x normal authentication, TACACS, so those kind of things you can manage by using the access license. So license already added to ClearPass. Now if you click on the servers, then you can see in here activation status. So if you click on this one, you can see there is a two options available to activate the license. First one is online activation. From to perform this one, you need to have internet reachability from ClearPass management subnet. So if the internet is available, then once you click on the activate now, it will automatically activate. But if some cases they are not allowing the internet access for the management subnet, so in that kind of a case, you can download a token like this. So it will download into your PC. Then you need to open a case with Aruba, and you need to give them this key, the token key. So they will activate this key behalf of you, and then again they will give you another key So you have to browse it and you have to upload that key into here, so then your appliance will be activated. After the appliance activated, you need to activate the applications also it is same. You need to click on activate. That is also have two option, either you can go with online activation or offline activation. So that is how you can add the license and activate license in the ClearPass. So we will come with the next video for the clustering, how we can how we can join two ClearPass appliance together, 2 or 3. Like I will show you how we can do the clustering in ClearPass. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.